Hey guys, Mike Reddy here. I want to talk to you about day number 21 of the ClickFunnels Challenge and kind of go through what we've been talking about and building up to this point. Is the first week we talked about creating products, things that people are looking for that they want to buy to make their business better. And of course, then last week it was talk about now that we have concepts for those products, how do we create the images? And once we have the images, then we can actually put together the sequences of how we want to offer our products to our customers. So we've got our products ideas, we've started creating the information or the physical products that we want to provide people. Then we put together the graphics so we can present it, and then we put it into a sequence in a logical way. So now in week number 3, what we want to do is we want to talk about actually building out the funnel. So that's what I'm going to talk about today, is the core concepts of why businesses need funnels today compared to just brochure websites. So in other words, brochure website, people come to your website, they see lots of different options. You don't know what they want, they don't know what they want, they have lots of different choices, and a confused mind never makes a choice. So the reason that funnels are better is because when people come to our funnel, they're coming for a specific reason, for a specific product or service. So what is our main goal of any funnel? The main goal of any funnel, number 1, is to create a lead. Okay? So the first thing we're doing is we're creating a lead by gathering first name, last name, or full name, and email. So now that they're on our list. Then the next thing we want to do is number 2, is we want to create a customer. Okay? So how do we go about doing that? Well, there's actually 3 phases to any funnel. The first is your squeeze page. Then you have your sales page. And then once you have your sales page, then you can do an OTO or a one-time offer. All right? So the first thing we want to do is we want to create that customer lead. So the way that we do that is with a squeeze page, where we can actually come in here and have one page with one product and one purpose only, and then we can put in a headline to grab their attention, and then have a little video describing what we're offering them, and then they just put in their first name, email address, and of course, here's where they click the button to submit. And what we want to do on this squeeze page is we want to give away something valuable. In my own business, in my marine manufacturing business, what we're doing is we're giving away our most popular system. It's a $237 value. We give away one system every single month, and in the month of January, we've had over 900 people sign up to our email list. 1 month, 900 people, because there's that many fishermen that don't want to go out and spend $2,000 for the powered model, especially when you only got a $2,000 boat or a $2,500 boat. Do you want to put a $2,000 anchor in a $2,000 boat? No, nobody wants to do that. So that's what we do, is we actually brought them to a squeeze page and gave away a very valuable product so that we can get them on our list. And how we did that is there's lots of different ways to get people to that page, both paid and free traffic. I'm not going to go into paid right now because, of course, everybody wants to start out to see if this thing works. Now, I will tell you that paid traffic will actually get you more people, because you're actually get a wider concept, a wider group of people. I actually, when we actually put out content, I'll spend $20 on Facebook, run that for 7 days, and drive traffic to our squeeze page. So one of the ways that I personally use is I post some content to our Facebook page, and we've got like 5,000 people that like us on Facebook. Do I want that to be a whole lot more? Sure do. But that's part of our content strategy going forward. But for the 5,000 people that actually like our product and have follow our content, we're actually putting out that offer that we're actually giving away a system 1 per month. Then we also will go over onto our YouTube channel. And on YouTube, we'll put out different videos, testimonials, things like that, but also let people know that there is a contest going on and we're giving away basically $237 system that they can come in and register for. So there's lots of different places. I mean, if you want to go on LinkedIn, you know, and you want to contact other manufacturers that might be interested, you can partner with them and they can send out a message to their list because you can promote their product and your product at the same time. There's lots of different ways to drive free traffic. But all of it is coming down here and driving traffic to the squeeze page. And the squeeze page, again, is all we're trying to do is get that first name, last name, and email address. And then they go on our list so that we can actually send them emails in the future. So once they come in here, they put in their information, they sign up for the contest, and now they're on our list. And we have a whole bunch of people that come in here and they're on our list, right? So that now we can actually start sending emails to them in the future because, yes, we're giving away a $237 product, but only one person's gonna win it. And that interest, that high value, actually got us over 900 subscribers just in the month of January. So very, very popular way to build your list quickly. One of the big things is you got to understand, people are, in today's day and age, are not just going to give you their name and email address unless there's something very valuable that they want. And that's why it's kind of a mind shift that you want to take your most valuable product and give it away, or give it away at such a low price. One of our chiropractor clients has a product that's about $400 and he's giving it away for $40. All right. But what part of that program is you got to have, you know, between 5, 10, 15 different sessions. So he gives away the very valuable first one, and then he moves on to the next page. And in the next page, we now have our sales page. So again, in here, they've come in, they've gotten their free thing or their very low offer thing and that has high value. But now you can come in here and create a video with your headline, and then bullet points about what they're going to get, the bonuses, that sort of thing. And then, of course, down here, you have your button where they can actually purchase. And this is where you can go in with your video and describe the value. Like for the people here that sign up and want to get the free thing, well, maybe there's some people out there like, forget this. There's 900 people that signed up and I only have 1 in 900 chance. I'm just going to go ahead and buy the product. And that's what this is for. So people that are impatient, they don't want to wait. They came in, they signed up, they're a lead, sure, but they just want the product now. I get that a lot with my fishing guys that are going into tournaments. Is they will call up and they'll actually ask us if we can actually ship it overnight because they're ordering on a Wednesday and they need to have it by Saturday morning. So these are the type of people that when they come in and sign up for the free thing, are then they're going to go over to the sales page and buy immediately. All right. But for those people who come in and they don't buy immediately, what we have the opportunity to do is over time, over the next 30 days, let's say if they sign up on the 1st through the 5th, we've actually got 3 more weeks where we can actually send email offers to get them to come in and buy the product. Now, a large portion of people are not going to buy, 70%. But 30% of the people are going to be like, hey man, I just want the product. I'll go ahead and pay for it. So that's what these emails are designed to do. And then of course, when somebody comes in and actually makes the purchase, then we can actually go in here and offer other products to them, which is our one-time offer. So again, you have a headline, you have a short video, and then of course you have bonuses, extra things they're going to get, and of course, there we go. Then we have a button so that they can purchase. One of the things that we encourage people to do is to join our membership site. We have t-shirts and hats and promotions. We do discounts. We do all kinds of different things, free shipping. These things are only available to our members. So what we've done is we've created a lead, then we've created a customer, and now we want to create a lifetime customer. Somebody that we can make offers to, offer them value, offer a lot of different services, products that we find in the marketplace, only available to our members, and that's how we create a monthly continuity. And again, there is only going to be a small percentage of people that actually do that. So let's say that 100% of the people come here and only 30% of the people actually buy the product. Well, of that 30% of the people, let's say that only 30% of those people actually join our membership program for our anchor systems and of course our other fishing products. But we still have a portion of people. So if 100 people come here and 30 people buy our product, and then 30% of those 30 people is what? 5, 6 people that are actually on our membership list, and now we have recurring income every month, so we don't have to start at zero every single month. And again, what we can do is for the people that come in that don't take advantage of that, we can again send them emails for whatever period of time to talk to them about different things and different benefits of the membership program. And those are the hooks that we talked about last week in the videos. Is each one of these emails talks about a different topic or a different subject or a different offer or a different hook that somebody might resonate with about why this would be valuable to buy the product. And then if they don't buy the product or they buy the product and they don't get into the membership site, then we can send them information about why joining the membership site is a benefit. And you never know what hook is actually going to get people to understand that there's a lot of value there and it's a real benefit for them to actually join the community. Having a secret Facebook page where there's only certain information that you provide people in your Facebook page. That's a benefit. And again, very inexpensive. So once people have gone through this entire process, now what do? They came in, they didn't win. They took a look at our product, they didn't buy our product. They took a look at our membership site, they didn't buy our product. Okay? They didn't join our membership site. Well, now we're not done. What we can do is we can now come back here, find another product or service, and offer them another funnel and take them through the process again with another product or service they might be interested in that is related to the product that they came in to take a look at in the beginning. So that's the core concept of how we actually build out a funnel and create the most valuable asset that any business has, which is the email list, which is your customer list. If you take a look, why did Google pay $1 billion for YouTube 2 years after YouTube was created? It wasn't for the technology. Google could have created that themselves. What they were paying for is the 50 to 100 million people that had already signed up for accounts on YouTube. It's a quick way for corporations to actually buy the customer list instead of generating on their own and taking time. It's the same thing when Microsoft bought LinkedIn. Could Microsoft have created that platform? Sure. But LinkedIn had 100 million subscribers. All CEO level people, I shouldn't say all, but the vast majority of people on LinkedIn are CEO level or C-level people or decision-making people. And Microsoft bought that customer list. Same thing when Facebook was looking at buying Instagram. Could Facebook have gone out and created that platform all by itself? Sure. And they would have done a great job at it. But what were they buying? They were buying the Instagram customer list. So the most valuable asset that any company has in today's day and age, if you're looking to keep your business for the long term, you want to have a group of people that nobody else knows about that you can make offers to. Or if you have an exit strategy where you want to grow a business because you're an entrepreneur and you're not a manager and you want to sell the business, when somebody comes in to buy your business, the number one thing they're going to be looking for is your cost to acquire a customer, and then how big is your customer list and how much revenue is that customer list generating for you month after month after month. And the rule of thumb is, if you do this badly, you should be able to make about $1 per person on your list per month. So if you got 1,000 people on your list, you should be making $1,000 a month. If you got 10,000 people on your list, you'd be making $10,000 a month. You got 1 million people on your email list, you should be making $1 million a month. And that's if you're doing it poorly. There are internet gurus that I follow and have been following for years that really understand their market, really understand what their customers want, really understand the products or services that people will buy, and they're making $2, $3, $5 per person. So that's the importance of creating a squeeze page and a process to get people on your exclusive list and then provide them products and services that make their lives better. So hopefully this core training was helpful. And if you want to get some more information or if you want us to help you actually build out a list, I'm going to provide a link below. Just go ahead, sign up for that. And not only will I be providing these free trainings, but we can actually help you with the technology in the background to go ahead and build out a funnel like this and start creating your most valuable asset, which is your customer list. Have a great day.